Hello friends, welcome to Trending Tube. I hope you all are doing great. We have another IKEA product today with us, which is IKEA FYXNÄS. It's a table lamp. The table lamp looks like a tripod and gives a retro feel. The FYXNÄS floor and table lamp comes with a metal legs and a double layer of stretchy fiber in soft colors, and it spreads a decorative mood light wherever you want to place them. The shade used in this product is 100% polyester and the frame is made up of steel. And when it comes to the dimension, the product is having a height of 44 centimeter, diameter of 29 centimeter, and the cord length is around 2 meter. The regular price of this product is around 1290 in INR, which comes 15 to 16 USD. When I was shooting this video, the offer price of this was around 499 in INR. And the product comes in two colors, one is turquoise and another is dark red. I hope you like this video. Do like, comment and subscribe to get more video like this. See you next time. Thank you.